Hi friends, welcome to our channel Bull Run Trading. Yesterday we discussed on chapter number 3, how to open a demat account and how to get a shares, how many different type of demat accounts are there, and the fundamentals of the minimum basics the share market. Now we will move to some chart analysis. Already I told you chart analysis is the basic knowledge. We will learn everything from chart only. Chart analysis, if you get the knowledge on chart analysis, you easily get the support lines, resistance, and analyze the share market and analyze the particular share. And you can also predict the nifties and all the moving of averages, moving averages, 15 days moving average, 30 days moving average, 100 days, whatever. You can get all the data from chart only. So we will start chart analysis and some of the shares. We will analyze some shares and one of the best tools we can use in chart now. So we will start chart. So one best fundamentally good stock is Tata Motors right now. I just open Tata Motors here. Okay, I will draw like this, and this is actually day chart. How can you know? Here is a cursor. It's divided into the seconds, minutes, hours, days, and ranges. What here I choose day chart presently. So because all the long term investments we calculated on day chart basis. Also monthly chart also there, but presently in short term traders select day chart and long term all the traders choose first day chart and then weekly chart and monthly chart also. So here market corrections is going on now. How to get the support lines on market? So here we can select the Nifty. Okay, here two types of colors are showing. This is RSI signal. It's called RSI signal and RSI chart and CCM. Money flow index also there. So it's the this one buying price. Red color selling pressure. Okay. This is once it is raise, stock market also increase. Okay. Once it is come down, stock market will take downtrend. So you have to check green color buying, red color will be selling pressure. So here this chart will be calculated on 10 to 80 and 100 also right here all up to 100 and above. But between 50 between 20 to 80 Pucha stocks is trading between the both sides. It's a good stock. Okay, it's you draw a line. We will draw some line. Okay, here taken a support, and here taken a support, and here taken a support. So fundamentally, this is strong. Okay, and here also this is okay. Here we will discuss two types of zones. This is called as over. Yeah, this is called oversold region. It's called oversold reason. This is overbought reason. Overbought. It's called overbought, and this is oversold. Okay. Oversold means price will increase when touch it bottom line. Okay. And overbought reason, it will come down. Share price will come down up to support level. Okay. Here we will analyze RSI signal first. Okay. We have to check RSI signal. Now the present market of Tata Motors is showing oversold reason. Okay. This is oversold right now. It's under oversold. Okay. It will come up. Share will increase. If you check in 15-minute chart, it's generated a green candle. I draw some support lines here. I'll show you. Here taken support, and here taken support. Here also 3 times taken support. Here also taken one more support. Once the support line breaks, the share will come down, and again here taken some support levels in Nifty. Okay. Same time, if you change into Tata Motors, Tata Motors. Okay. Right. Moved on Tata Motors. I will change the chart on day chart. Here okay, okay. Here the share comes on which reason? Over, it's called overbought reason means company stocks get higher level, already get their higher level. It will consolidated. Some more times it will consolidated, then it will come down like this. It will come down. When one stock reached on their oversold region, then it will again increase their price later on support basis. Okay. With their support, it will change their positions with the positions. Okay. First one, I told you first one. This is called overbought reason, and this is oversold. So this is oversold reason. Once reached oversold region, stock will increase up to overbought region. When reached overbought region, it will consolidate and come down. This is all. Every share, it is the fundamental. Once come down and it reached over what you call oversold region, and then company share price will increase up to overbought region. Okay, overbought zone. Okay, up to here. Okay, this is my opinion. On bottom side, it is also consolidated and then increase. We will check 52 weeks high and 52 weeks low. Already we discussed on this 52 weeks high and 52 weeks low. Okay, it will move to chart. We will check weekly chart. What is support lines? What is resistance? How the stock will act. Here I show you over, this is on March 52 weeks low, this is 52 weeks low, this is 52 weeks low, and this is 52 weeks high. This is present trading, this is present trading as on date, as on date high and date low. Okay, this is date high low and this is date high. Between the shares having 17 to 18 rupees changes happen. Okay, so we'll check supports and we'll check supports and lines. Okay, we'll check supports here. I will draw a line here over here. You can check, take in a support. This is resistance. This is what you call upper side resistance level and bottom side support level, right? How many times it takes support, how many times it will take resistance levels. Hmm. I draw some example line. It's a break here. Company share break here first. They break the zone and it is consolidated. Once increased and taken some support here and then comes over here and taken some support but not consolidated. It's come down like this, come down like this, it's come down like this, and again increase. Here also I have checked here. When the comes stocks under the oversold region, stock will increase. This is fundamental. Okay, stock will increase like this. So here also you can check. We'll draw the line. Here also stock will increase like this. When reached overbought region, stock will come down like this. And here also you can check like this. And again it reached over sold region, chart increase, stock also little bit increase here like this, continue. And already I told you consolidation is going on, consolidation level they also some increasing going on. Once it reached consolidation level, here also some consolidation level is going on. Okay, price also moving on. This is day chart, this is monthly chart, sorry, monthly chart. Okay, you have to analyze like this charts, how to analyze like this. Okay, here we have some different type of candles. Move into the bars will show like this. If move into the lines will show like this. Okay, lines will be show like this and candles will be show like red candle and green candle, whatever. Okay, one basic rule is you have to check it's reached oversold region, then stock will come down. Once it reached oversold region, stock will increase. Overbought region, company stocks will come down. And different type of charts will show you different type of changes here. Here, not don't take any. All charts will act same parameters. All stocks will not show you any same parameters, same supports, different type of trades. It will show you different type of changes. Okay, in day chart candle will show you different, monthly chart candle will show you different type of, and all charts will show you different type of analysis. So you are doing any intraday on day trading, you have to choose 50 minutes chart. You have to take positions on 50 minutes chart. You have to buy here. Okay, you have to buy here, and you have to sell over here. This is consolidation zone. You have to, in intraday, if you do intraday, you have to sell here, you have to buy here, and you have to sell here, and again we can buy here, and again we can sell here, and you can sell here, and you can buy here. Here also same pattern is going on. Oversold region and overbought region. You have to simultaneously, you have to check which candle showing which type of pattern. We have to check. Okay. Okay. Then we will move a best stocks. How to choose a best stocks? It is called screeners. Site name is screeners. Screeners. Okay. It will give you a best stocks with your own analysis. Automatically, system will calculate it on your logical basis. Okay. Here they already built a programs here. The full character guru, growth stocks, magic formula, last to profit company. Okay, last to profit. It changed their last to profit. Okay, like this. Where you can check some of formulas. Zero debt means company don't have any debts over here. Okay, what type of function? If you, okay, for example, I click over here, zero debt companies. Company don't have any debt over here. Okay, we will check some stocks. First, we will check all over parameters. People invest. Some companies, Castrol India, Tall Enterprises, IRCTC. Okay, here you have to CMP means current market price. Current market price is 12 rupees 72 paisa, and PE ratio 8.33. Above 10 means above 10 plus stocks is choosable best stocks. Okay, above 10. Not like this. Already it is showing around 100 rupees plus. Don't like this. Don't go like this. Okay. Hmm. Here we can check debt, debt free company. There was no debt for this company. ROCE. Okay. Sales quarterly increase. What type of shares they have. Okay. And dividend yields. Dividend yields also you have to calculate dividend yields. More dividends here we can check the all here dividends more than 9.45. We will get additional profit over here, and there was no debt with the company, and PE ratio also more than 10 rupees, price under 400 rupees, and net profit quantity is also 80 rupees. Okay, quarter quarter wise 2%, sales quarter to quarter 81. Looking no any negative values here. Okay, everything is good for the company. So we will choose one. You check the okay. Its name is Malmar Previous Invested Limited. Uh, we will analyze the stocks. Market cap. First market cap 881 crores. Current market price 397. So high 52 weeks high 449, low 270. Okay, dividend yield is 9.45, book value 79. Here the basic fundamental thing is stock current market price when trading more than book value. It's a good stock. It is good stock. Means book value 79 rupees. Current market price is 397 rupees. So it can be good stock. Face value 10 rupees. Hmm? Then we'll next analysis. We'll move to next analysis. Here chart also available. Chart also available here. This is value. Trading value. It indicates 50. Sorry, trading value. So we will click on 50 moving average. Okay, 50 moving average is a basic consolidation level. Above 50 moving average, once it's come down, share will fall over here, and again support 50 moving average, 50 days moving average. It's continually trading above 50 days moving average. 50 days moving average here. Okay, so fundamentally good start, and we will check all the parameters. We will check like this. Okay. Here company having some company is almost debt free. Company provided a good dividend yield of 9.45. Company has delivered good profit growth 18.55. Okay, last 5 years company has good return on equity track record 3 years on return on equity 45.6. Company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout of 99.46%. 99.46%. tax rate seems low, no problem. Okay, this is the peer comparison. Yesterday I already told you every company we compare with their same sectors company. Here we can compare this company. Now we are seeing company name. What is the company name? Here, Palmar Law Investment. Okay, current market price and then P ratio and market cap and dividend yield. Dividend yield showing the good, very good position. Company dividend yield position very good. Compare with compare with Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance also giving 0.21%, but Balram Low Investments is giving 9.45%. So can be invest on 5%. You have to always invest in your wealth percentage always under 5% only. Okay, means if you investing 100 rupees you have to invest on 100 rupees only 5% in this company. That's a good thing. We have to maintain our portfolio like this only. Okay, always our portfolio above not more than 5%. Right? We'll move next. Okay, peer comparison is completed. Next, peer comparison over, and then we will see the performance. Company performance. We'll check all performance of the company. Company performance we'll check here. Last performances. Net profit. Net profits. Okay. September 2020. Its book there. This is present. Here. Taken good growth. Showing good growth here. Net profit increased. How much increase? Net profit increased 84 crores to 85 crores. So here we can compare 18, 21, 24, 28, slowly moving their business net profit here. 39, 76, 76 and 84 and 85. Good growth. So we can invest and we can choose stocks like this only. Okay. So this is balance sheet and cash flow. This is cash flow index and ratio and shareholder pattern. Shareholder pattern already above 50 is preferable parameters. Okay. Promoters holding, how much promoter holding? 59%. So here also company will grow. So this is basic fundamentals. We can find over here all annual reports also available here. So how to choose a company to trade for long term investment like this only. You have to check market cap, P/E ratio, current market price, how it is trading, and book value, more than book value, CMP, current market price is showing or not, dividends giving or not, what is high and low, and face value. You have to calculate all these things, then you have to trade. So tomorrow I will give you one more analysis. Please kindly subscribe my channel, our bull run trading, and share with others to subscribe. Please do like. Thank you. We will discuss another chart analysis on tomorrow. Thank you. Good night.